Hello everyone, welcome to Russell's Recipe. Join me as I take on the challenge of cooking the most delicious tilapia in creamy coconut milk, and let's see if I can make it taste as amazing as it sounds. Today we're going to make a dish that's not only delicious, but also easy to prepare and perfect for a quick dinner. Say hello to tasty tilapia in creamy coconut milk. This recipe is a delight to make, and I just know you're going to love it. When it comes to cooking fish, I know a lot of people struggle with getting it just right. It's easy to overcook it, and it can end up tasting dry and flavorless. And if you're like me, you've probably experienced that disappointing moment when you take a bite of what you thought was going to be a perfectly cooked piece of fish, only to find it's as tough as leather. Another common issue people face when cooking fish is that it can lack flavor. I mean, let's be real, plain old fish can get pretty boring. But don't worry, because today we're going to take that plain old fish and turn it into a culinary masterpiece. The creamy coconut milk sauce we're going to make is packed with flavor, and it's going to elevate this dish to a whole new level. And the best part? This recipe is incredibly easy to make. You don't need to be a professional chef to whip up this dish, and the steps are so simple to follow. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a total newbie, you're going to love how easy it is to make this tasty tilapia in creamy coconut milk. Let's get started by talking about the ingredients we're going to need. We'll need some fresh tilapia, coconut milk, fish sauce, vinegar, garlic, onions, and some snow cabbage. Don't worry if you're not familiar with any of these ingredients. I'll walk you through each step of the process, and you'll be a pro in no time. To start, preheat your pan to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, let's prepare our tilapia. Simply season them with salt and then set them aside for a minute. Next, let's make our creamy coconut milk sauce. In a hot pan, combine coconut milk, ginger, garlic, onions, vinegar, fish sauce, and chilies. Cook for at least 10 minutes, then set aside. If you find this video entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please help me grow on YouTube by subscribing and clicking the bell icon to be informed when we post new videos. It would be a great help to my small channel, thank you. Now it's time to fry our tilapia in a hot pan. Add enough oil to the pan, then carefully place the fish in. Let them cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on each side, or until they're nicely browned. Then, transfer them to a dish strainer. Reheat the delicious coconut milk sauce and add it to the fried tilapia and cook for about 2 minutes. Then top it off with fresh green chilies and snow cabbage leaves. As we wait for the fish to cook, let's talk about the moment of truth is when we finally get to plate our dish and see how it turns out. There's something so satisfying about watching a dish come together, and this one is no exception. When we take that first bite, we're going to be blown away by the flavors and textures. The creamy coconut milk sauce is going to add a richness to the dish, while the spices are going to give it a nice kick. And there it is, our tasty tilapia in creamy coconut milk is finally ready. The vibrant colors of the dish are just stunning, and the creamy texture of the sauce is absolutely divine. I mean, just look at that, doesn't it look amazing? To recap, we started with some simple ingredients and ended up with a dish that's not only delicious, but also easy to make and visually stunning. Whether you're serving it as a main course or as part of a bigger meal, this tasty tilapia in creamy coconut milk is sure to impress. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today, and I hope you've enjoyed this recipe as much as I have. If you've got a favorite fish recipe, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know about it. And if you're looking for more delicious meal ideas, be sure to check out another video on my channel. I've got tons of recipes to share with you.